Okay, team. Very good morning to all. So today we are starting an important session on Tableau, which is one of the most popular business intelligence and data visualization tool used in the industries. So this session is not just about learning a tool. It is about understanding how data helps for the business to take better decisions. Okay. So by the end of the session, you will understand what is Tableau is and why organizations will use this Tableau and how Tableau is used to real-time projects and everything you will get to know and how your BA works with the Tableau. Okay. So today we will connect with the Tableau and the business analyst, how business analyst is working with the Tableau. Okay. So before directly we jump into the tools, it is very important to understand like who is BA and what are the roles of BA and how a BA uses Tableau in real time projects. Okay. So first we need to know who is BA and also the roles of BA. What are the roles and how a BA use how a BA use Tableau in the real time projects. Okay. So a BA is a person who understand business problems and helps in finding the solution using the data. Okay, so the process or the technologies or the data, whatever the thing we are having, by using all those, a BA will understood everything. Okay, and the BA will have BA will be the bridge between the clients and the technical team. So this is what a BA means. The roles of BA is defined into two types, like core responsibilities and the supporting responsibilities. So a BA has two types of responsibilities, like core responsibility and the supporting responsibilities. So let us see what is core responsibilities and what are supporting responsibilities. Okay. So core responsibilities is nothing but the main and most important duties, or whatever the main things as a BA want to do. Those will be included in these core responsibilities. So most of the important duties like project completion. Project completion means like so core responsibilities like project completion we are having. So first we are going to the project completion. Project completion is nothing but it means a BA makes sure the project is done correctly. So how a client required the thing in the same way the BA want to do the project completion in a correct way. He will observe everything, okay? And after project completion, the other thing is communicating with the stakeholders. So without communicating with the stakeholders, without communicating with the stakeholders, a BA can't understand anything, right? So these are the core responsibilities as a BA is having. Uh, and the other thing is working on the documents. What is mean by working on the documents means like the PA want to know what report is want to prepare, like what report is needed and what data is required to implement an application and what chart should be shown and So this helps everyone understand the same thing, like what are the things we need to implement as a BA, where the thing is going wrong, he need to identify. Okay. So these are the core responsibilities a BA is having. Okay. And coming to supporting responsibilities. So supporting responsibilities is nothing but additional duties. Like what are the additional duties will BA helps in for the team in projects, like reports generation and assisting the team. Reports generation means whatever the things going on, like where went wrong. Whenever a application is going on, the people will think, like the developers or the testers will think like where something is going wrong. Where does it going wrong? They didn't understand anything. So if they are in confusion, the as a PA, he will involve in this, and he will clarify all those doubts whatever developers and testers having in these projects. Okay, so that is nothing but assisting the team. Okay, so these are the responsibilities of a PA, the core responsibilities and the supporting responsibilities. So a BA connects business people and the technical people. Business people explains what they need, and the technical team explains what is possible. Okay, and so that BA makes sure both understanding each other clearly. Okay, so business people, they will tell what they need, what the application they want, and the developers, based on the requirements of the client, developers will explain what is possible and what is not possible, right? So in between these both, the BA will take responsibilities to complete a project in successfully. Okay, so these are the supporting and core responsibilities of a BA. So far, we have understood what is BA and what is the BA responsibilities, and the BA supports how a BA will support the projects. So now we need to know how does a BA take decisions and give recommendations for the team. So that first we for to know that we first get to know that is why we need to understand business intelligence. So business intelligence, what is here we need to know what is meant by business intelligence, where we are using it, why do we need BI, everything we need to know. Okay. So what is BI means? BI helps organizations understand their data and make better decisions. Okay. So whatever the data they are giving, the companies or gathering that requirements, they need to understand, right? So to get a clear understanding for purpose, we are using this BI. So why do we need BI means, in today's world, like companies are generating huge amount of data, right? So that huge amount of data, it will be a raw data, having more number of columns, data, and the rows, everything in a clumsy way. So to understand, like for example, let us assume like a sales data or customer data or a websites, financial data. So here the raw data alone is not useful. So that a BI helps convert this raw data into meaningful information. Okay. So whatever the raw data we are having, it will be converted into particular charts or anything, graphs, charts, pie charts, etc. So how a BA and BI are connected? We need to know how BA is involving with this BI. So a BA identifies what information the business needs, and BI provides the information using the data. Please don't get confused. BA will gather the information based on the business needs, and BI provides the information using the data. Okay, so BA explains whatever the BI giving the reports to us based on the data, that reports a BA will explain to the stakeholders, and the BA supports a BA in decision making. Based on that reports, a BA will take particular decisions for the implementation, what need to grow in, where they are lagging in, where they need to grow. Everything it will explain. A BA will explain by using this BI. Okay. So for example, let us go through the sales department. When sales are dropping down, so a BI provides a dashboard showing regions wise, like sales, where the sales are going wrong, like less sales are happening in which region, the less sales are happening less. A BI will show through the charts. Okay. So finally, we came to know is BA focuses on understanding the business problems and the requirements. BI focus on analyzing data and provides insights. Insights is nothing but the information. Okay. So both work together to help organizations make better decisions. Okay. So what are the benefits of BA? So what are the benefits of BI? Let us see. So the benefits of BI is like visual data visualization. The main benefit of using BI is data visualization. Okay. And the other thing is fast and accurate reporting. Data visualization, fast and accurate reporting, and the valuable business insights. And the last is competitive analysis. So data visualization, fast and accurate reporting, valuable business insights, and competitive analysis. These are the benefits of by using BI. So what is mean by data visualization means instead of looking at long Excel sheets or the BI tools, so BI tools show data in the form of charts, graphs, and dashboards. Okay. So what are these charts, graphs, and dashboards? So whenever I'm explaining you about the tool, then you will get to know what are those all. So listen carefully so that please try to understand this theory. Okay, don't get confused between one to another. So data visualization is nothing but instead of Excel sheets, it will show the charts, graphs, and dashboards. Okay. So what about fast and accurate reporting means? Reports that earlier to make a reports earlierly they will take a uh, lot of time and days can for doing that. But now by the reports can be generated in minutes. Okay, since the data comes directly from the system. So before BA will gather all the things by manually, but now it will come through the system directly whenever we are giving the sheets. Okay. And what is mean by valuable business insights means insights helps the business understandings what is happening, the reason it will show. Valuable business insights means what is the reason, like what happening in the sales, or why sales are dropping in a particular region, and why a product is not performing well. These kind of questions, for these kind of questions, we will get to know the reasons. Okay. So these will be the another benefit we are having. And what The fourth benefit is like a competitive analysis. Like with the BI tools or organizations can perform competitive analysis. So they can compare their performance with the competitors or the previous years. Okay. So like for example, market share comparison and the pricing comparison, everything they will go through. So these are the benefits of by using this BI. Okay. So as far we have gone through the benefits, right? So let us know about the features. What are the features available in this BA? Okay, so let us see as of now we have understood that what is BI and what BI, right? So let us see what are the tools does companies use to implement these BI. So to implement these BI, like BI tools like Microsoft Power BI. So these are the tools we are having. Power BI and Tableau, these are the tools we are using, and also Oracle. Oracle BI also, it is a type of BI tool to gather the information in the same way. So, but today we will go with the BI, okay? So these are the tools we are having. Power BI. What is Power BI? It is like it is one of the most popular BI tools in the market. So it will be useful for business analysts to present insights to management. Okay. And coming to Tableau, Tableau is widely used for advanced data visualization. So it integrates well with Excel and Microsoft tools. So to create interactive dashboards and reports, we will use this Tableau. For example, like sales dashboards or financial reports, everything we will gather through this Tableau. Okay. So we just compared the Power BI and Tableau and understood where each tool is used, right? So now let us focus on the BI tool in detail, and the tool is like Tableau. So Tableau is a business intelligence and data visualization tool. So it will helps in understanding the data, visualizing the data, and find insights and support business decisions. Okay. So it will help us in the understanding the data, and also to help the visualization data and finding the insights. As I told you, the insights is nothing but the reasons. We can get to know the reasons what's happening in the sales department or anything, sales or financing or anything. So these are the things we get helpful for by using this Tableau. So Tableau is used to get insights from data. Insights is nothing but understanding like what is happening in the business and why it is happening. Everything we will get to know. So Tableau helps us to find out hidden trends in the data. Okay, for example, like a sales increasing in one region, and one region it is not happening. Those only it shows Tableau will shows us why it is happening. Okay, and customers living after a certain stay. So why it's happening, everything it will show. So using these insights, organizations can make better business decisions. Okay. So like to increase the marketings or where the sales are wrong, where the sales are low, everything based on these reports, they will take the decisions what to improve. And Tableau is popular because it shows data in the form of charts, graphs, and dashboards. Okay. So So it will show us in charts, graphs, and dashboards. As a BA, you may not build like a complex Tableau dashboards, but you use Tableau dashboards to analyze the data and explain insights to the stakeholders. Okay, so a BA can analyze like why are sales dropping and which region is performing better, which products need improvement. Everything it will show by using this Tableau. So now we understood that what is Tableau and why it is used, right? So let us go one step deeper and understood how Tableau automatically helps using in real life. So Tableau helps in simplifying the raw data. Raw data means like large tables with the numbers, rows, and columns. Such data is difficult to understand, right? So when we see indirectly, it is difficult for us. So Tableau change this raw data into charts, graphs, and visuals. Okay, so which make it is very easy to understand. So Tableau helps in creating the data that can be understood by professionals at any level in the organization. So like top management belongs to the non-technical team department. They will also create the dashboards and graphs by using this Tableau. Okay. So a BA can create a sales dashboard without any programming, without any coding. Okay, so it can process large amounts of data quickly and show results immediately. In Tableau, data visualization are created in the form of worksheets, dashboards. Okay, so what is these worksheets and dashboards? I will show you in the tool. Whenever we are going to the tool, I will show you what is worksheet and what is dashboard. Okay, worksheet is nothing but individual charts or graphs. Whatever the charts we are creating, whatever the graphs we are creating, that will be the worksheet. And dashboard is like a collection of multiple worksheets in one view. Okay. So, so here as a BA, how you are using Tableau means to understand business data quickly, to explain the insights visually, supporting decisions with the facts. In this way, you can use it. So instead of explaining numbers, a BA can simply show a dashboard. Okay. So for example, in a sales project, the BA uses Tableau to create dashboard showing monthly sales and what are the region-wise performance and what are the product trends. So everything it will show, a BA can explain to the stakeholders. So management understands the situation in minutes and takes quick decisions. Whenever we are going through this by using this Tableau, whenever we are going through the charts or anything, charts, graphs or anything. So management will understand the situation through these charts in minutes and they will take quick decisions. Okay. So now we have understood how Tableau simplifies the data and helps users at all levels, right? So let us see why Tableau is powerful and popular because it has best features. Okay. So let us see the features of the Tableau. So the features are like data blending. So this is the main feature we are having in this Tableau. So data blending means combining data from multiple source into a single view. Like in real-time projects, data does not come from one place, right? So it may come from databases or Excel files, maybe or cloud systems or applications in multiple number of things it is coming, the information will be gathered, right? So the data blending, it will combine all the data, like from maybe it's from Excel, maybe one data is in Excel or another data in cloud. So this Excel data and cloud data, it will merge in a one sheet. Okay. So in this way, so it is a feature we are having in this Tableau. So let us think like a sales data or having in Excel, and the customer data will be in database. So Tableau blends these different data sources and shows them together in one dashboard. Okay. So this is one feature we are having. And another feature is like a real-time analysis. So real-time analysis, Tableau allows users to interact with these charts, reports, and dashboards in real time. Okay, so this means when data changes, the dashboard updates immediately. Okay, there is no need to do again and again. Whatever the changes we are doing, it will automatically update itself. Okay, and the third one is collaboration. Collaboration of data. So collaboration of data means gathering and sharing the discussing data with the different teams. So whatever the data we have gathered and sharing, we will discuss through this collaborate. We will discuss to the different teams. Okay, for example, with the Tableau dashboards can be shared with the sales team. Or whatever the dashboards we have created in the Tableau, it will be we can that we can share that data to the sales team with the marketing team. Okay. And the management reviews the same report, what are the management we are having. So that management will see the same reports, whatever the Tableau is creating about the sales or the financial team or the marketing team, everything. Okay. So these are the main features we are having in this Tableau tool. So far we have understood what Tableau and its benefits and its features, right? So now we can go with the components of the Tableau. So now we can go with the components of the Tableau. So before going into the Tableau components, first we need to understand the Tableau tools are classified into multiple things. Like Tableau tools are broadly classified into two sections. So Tableau classified into two sections. Those are like a developer tools and sharing tools. Those are the two things we are having. Like, so this is how the Tableau is classified into two types, like a developer tool and sharing tools. So first, let us understood about the developer tools, and then we will go through the sharing tools. Developer tools are used for development works, like creating dashboards or creating charts or generating reports or performing data visualization. So these kind of things, like creating all the things and the generating the dashboards and reports. So in simple words, like developer tools are used to build dashboards and reports. Okay. So it will be used to create the dashboards and the reports. So the components of this developer tool is or like a Tableau desktop and Tableau public. So these are the components of Tableau developer tools. So Tableau desktop and Tableau public. So if you want to create something in Tableau, you will use this developer tool by using this Tableau desktop and Tableau public. Okay. So coming to sharing tools. Sharing tools are used to share the dashboard, whatever the dashboards and reports we are creating. We will share these dashboards, reports, and visualizations created using developer tools. Everything we will share through these sharing tools. Okay. So the components of these sharing tools are like Tableau Online and the Tableau Online and Tableau Server and Tableau Reader. So these are the components of this sharing tool. So here, as I told you, sharing tool is useful to share whatever the dashboards and reports we have created. Everything we can share by using this. So now we understood how. Now we have understood how Tableau tools are classified, and let us look at the actual Tableau components and understood which component comes under which category. As I told you, the components of the developer tool is Tableau desktop and Tableau public. And the sharing tool, the components of the sharing tool is Tableau online, Tableau server, and Tableau reader. Okay, these are the components of the Tableau we are having. So let us look into the Tableau desktop. So this is where all the development happens, like connecting to the data or creating worksheets, building dashboards, performing analysis. Everything we will go through this desktop. So it will be used by business analyst and the data analyst also. Okay. So coming to data public. So it is a free version. It is mainly used for learning, practicing and public dashboards. So data saved in this Tableau public is visible to everyone. So let us go some more depth for this Tableau public because Tableau public is a free and cost effective version of Tableau. So it is mainly designed for the students or the beginners and the individuals who want to practice the Tableau for them also, and the people who want to share the data publicly, they can share by using this Tableau public. Okay. So please be noted that the word public is very important here because whatever the workbooks we are creating, whatever the workbooks we are preparing, we cannot save locally on our system. Okay. So they must be saved in Tableau public cloud. Okay. So once saved, anyone can view and access these dashboards. So whatever the data you are saving in the dash in the dashboards, everyone can see this. So whatever the so please be remembered that there is no privacy in the Tableau public. So anyone can see your dashboards, anyone can download your work, and anyone can access the data. So whatever the confidential things you are having, like a company data or your confidential information or anything, should never be used in this Tableau public. Okay. So this is about the component of Tableau desktop and Tableau public about these developer tools. And coming to the sharing tools, the components are Tableau online, Tableau server, and Tableau reader. So let us see what are those. Tableau online means, so Tableau online is the cloud-based version. So the version of the Tableau server, it is not require infrastructure or maintenance. So it is used by the cloud-based organizations. Okay. And coming to the Tableau server, dashboards created in Tableau desktop or published to Tableau server. So whatever the dashboards are creating in the Tableau desktop, they will be published to this Tableau server. Okay, and coming to the Tableau reader. So it is used to view dashboard offline. Whatever the dashboards we are creating, we can see those dashboards through offline. So users cannot edit those dashboards, only they can view and interact with them. Okay. So these are the components we are having and how they are using for us. So here, like all these components will work in real-time projects or like dashboards or created using Tableau desktop. Dashboards are published to Tableau server or online, and business users access reports using browser or Tableau reader, and decisions are taken based on the insights. Okay, so this is how we are using the components. So team, now we will move to the Tableau tool. Let us see how data is taken into the tool and how raw data is converted into the charts and graphs and how dashboards are created. So, and how these all visuals help say BA explain and the business problems easily. So let us go to the tools. So these are like this is how up to now, we have learned like who is BA and what are the roles of BA and what are the responsibilities of a BA and how a BA is interacting with the BI, how BA is using that BI and what are the benefits of BI, what is BI and what are the benefits of BI and what are the tools we are having and the Tableau about the Tableau. So how Tableau is creating the charts, what are the features we are having. Everything we have gone through, how it is classified and what are the components we are having, everything we have gone through, right? So now we can go with the tool. So this is the Tableau interface. So here, whenever we are opening this Tableau, first we need to go through, as I will explain how to install it. So first open with the Chrome or the Microsoft Excel you can go with. Just type it here like a Tableau public discover. So here it is showing the Discover Tableau public link. So click on this link. So whenever you are clicking on this, it will show you like this, the page, it will reopen for you. So to create, you can, for the installation, here it will show you the create option. Otherwise, if you have already, if you have an account, you can directly. So here it will show you the sign in option. If you have already account, you can sign in directly. Otherwise, you can create it. So here we are having the create option. Just go with the download Tableau desktop public edition. So whenever you are clicking on this download Tableau desktop public edition, so a file will be downloaded for you and the w- so a file will be downloaded for you in this way. So see here, Tableau public desktop. In this way, folder will be created. So whenever you are giving double click on this folder, it will be automatically downloaded itself. Okay. So this is how you are downloading and installing these Tableau. So you can, after that, you can open directly. It will show you like this whenever you are opening this Tableau tool. So here it will show you the options like what are the files available, what are the files we can connect to the Tableau tool like Excel sheets we can connect and the text files we can connect and the access the PDF files we can share. So this is how it is showing the options. So now as I told you, we need to give the raw data. Okay. So let us see how the data is taken into the tool, how raw data is converted into the charts and graphs. Okay. So as of now, I'm giving the Microsoft Excel sheet. So we need to give a sheet for this Tableau. Then only whatever the data we are giving, that data it will collect. So we have given Excel file to Tableau, right? And the Tableau accepted the data, whatever I have given. So first you need to understand the screen. This is the screen, what it is showing. This is known as data source. So this is the data source. It shows what file we have connected. See here, it is showing the name. So in this way, it shows the thing. It shows whatever the data we have given and what sheets are available. What are the rows it is showing. What are the sheets are available. It will show everything here. So what columns of our data is having. So this is the data we are having. This is the data it have taken our Excel sheet and the columns of our data and rows it is showing, and this is where Tableau reads our Excel sheet. Okay, this is how it reads our data, whatever the data we are giving, and we can create our worksheets and dashboards now. See here we are having the sheet. Go to worksheet. It is showing the worksheet option. So here it shows the Excel sheets, whatever the data we are giving in this page, it will show us. So to create these worksheets or the dashboards, we need to go click on this go to worksheet. So this is a worksheet we are having. See here we can create sheets. Otherwise, these are the sheets, worksheets we are creating. So worksheet is a place where we actually create the charts and graphs. Okay, this is here we can create our charts and graphs. Okay, and this is the data pan we are having. So these data pan, these are the columns from the Excel. Whatever the data I have given now, these are the columns from the Excel. And so Tableau automatically divides them into dimensions and measures. Okay, so these are the dimensions and measures. So dimensions is nothing but text data. Whatever the data we are having, like regions, countries, regions, and the states we are having, and the products, product names, cities, customer IDs, customer names. These are the text things. So the text data will be considered as dimensions. It will look like in a blue color thing. It will show as blue color, it will indicate it in blue color, like here it is showing that ABC text, right? So it will show in the blue color. Okay, for the measures, these are the measures like discount, profits, quantities, sales. What are the sales we are having? What is the profit we are having? And what is the discount we are giving? Everything, it related to the number data. Whatever the number data we are having, we can show, we can able to see through these measures. Okay, so it will be denoted by green color. Okay, so these are the dimensions and measures we are having, and these are the rows. See, whatever the data we need to create the charts. We need to drag the things into these rows and columns. Like for example, let me take the country to columns. Okay, and see here it is created a chart like United. It is a text data so that it has taken like this. And let me give the measure. I'm giving the profit. So it is showing the graph, right? So in this way, whatever the dimensions and measures we are having, we need to drag them, drag and drop. We need to drag it, and here we need to drop it so that it will create the graphs for us. Okay, and these are the mark cards we are having, like a coloring. We can color them, we can resize them, we can label it, like we can we can show the names of it. Okay, and the designing and clarity. We can give a clarity by using this marks card, and it is here it's showing the show me. So whenever we are giving the data here, the dimension measures we are giving here. So based on if whatever the graph you need to give, we can select it here. Okay, based on that data, whatever we have given, based on that data, it will show the graphs. So we can select multiple graphs through this show me. So if you click on this show me, it will appear for us. So in this way, we can create all the things. So, and coming to these are the filters we are having, like we can add the worksheets and we can, if we want to close the worksheet, it will clear the sheet, and we can duplicate the sheet also. So this is how we are having, and we can swap the rows and columns. See, for example, I have given these columns and rows, right? So columns I have given some, the profit I have given, rows I have given country. So I need to swap these so that I'm clicking on swap so that it is showing like this. Okay, so this is how we can use these filters. And this is called the white area. Whatever we are having, this is called view area. So this is the big white area. It is called a view. This is where our charts are appearing here. Okay. So I have dragged the thing and it is showing the graph, right? So in this way, we are creating the graphs and charts here. So let us see how it is, how a Tableau is going to, how we are using this Tableau. Okay. So in the rows, I have given country, and the columns I have given profit, so that it's created me a graph here. So in this way, so this is the sheet one I have created. So let me give another thing like, let me take state. I'm giving the state here. See, I have given the country and the state also I have given. So it is showing the profit of each country and states. Okay, the United States is given for me. Let me give the discounts also here. Let me add the discounts. See, this is how it is showing. The discount it is showing and the profit also it is showing for us. The same way, same graph it is showing. So in this way, we can calculate what is the discount we are having and what is the profit we are gaining in the particular region, in the particular country. Okay, so in this way we can create the graphs. So let me rename this bit. We can rename here. Otherwise, we can double click on this sheet one. Then also we can rename it. Let me give like, so country sales I'm giving. So we can also add the color. We can also give the background color for it. Okay. Whenever we are so click on apply so that it will show here. Let me give another color. It is not visible. See, in this way it will show us. Okay. Click on OK. Okay. The country sales we have given. So for this, we can add this mark page also, like we can color them also. Let me create like, let me drag and drop the profit in these colors. So it is showing what are the profits we are having. It is showing here in the colors. Okay. So this is how we can give the colors also. So Let me create. This is a worksheet how we are creating to know the sales, like what are the profits and what are the discounts and what are the countries we are using. Okay. So let me create another page here. Here we are having an option like to for create another worksheet, and also if not, if we are having here also the above filters, we are having the to add the worksheet option, we can add there also. So let us create another chart. Here we are having the show me options. Here we are having a number of charts, right? So that we can create it here. So let me take the category. Let me take the category here in our columns. See, it have created a graph. It could have created a table for us. So let me give sales. So it is showing that what are the categories we are having, like furniture we are having, and the office supplies we are having, and the technology we are having. So whatever the products we are having, it is showing in this category. So it is showing whatever the sales are happened in this furniture. For in furniture, we have gone through 7,42,000 sales we have gone through. So in this office. Supplies is 7 lakhs 19,047 sales were happened. And this technology we have gone, it is happening like 8 lakh 36,000. So this is how it is showing the sales in the categories like the furnitures and all. Okay. So let us do one thing. So whenever I'm selecting a furniture, the separate, whenever I'm selecting the furniture, it is showing us keep only, and also it is showing exclude. So what is this keep only means? Whenever we are selecting this keep only, then it will show only the furniture data. Like the remaining two, it is not showing, right? So whenever we are selecting, so this is how it is showing in filters. Okay. So let me remove this so that it is showing again. So whatever we are selecting here, it is showing in the filters. Okay. So in this filter, so that the pages and the filters, it is showing. So whenever we are clicking on pages, it will give our our original data. So this is how we can select the individual charts also. So here, what is exclude means? Exclude means whenever I'm selecting the exclude, it is removing whatever the thing I have selected. It is removing that category and showing remaining categories like furniture and office. The office things it is showing. So whenever I'm dragging this category to pages. Again, it is again it is showing here. Again, it is showing here. Okay. So in this way, we can create our charts. So so here I have given sales, right? Let us see the profits also. The profits in this sales, what are the profits we are getting? So it is showing the profits in the different charts, right? So so whenever I'm giving the category and sums in the same columns, it is showing the graphical this way. So so whenever I'm selecting this swap, then it is showing in the vertical way. Otherwise, it is showing in horizontal. Okay. So in this way, we can give. So if you want any clear information, we can. give one category in columns and one category in rows. So it will show us clear graphical method. And also we can resize them. So whenever I'm clicking on this size, let me give this category to size. So it is- so it is resized. So whenever I'm selecting this, if we select one particular category, it is showing us remaining, or we are not remaining things, it is hiding, right? So in this way we can select, we can able to see product, particular product we can see, and the sales we can see. And let me add profit to it. And also I'm giving the discount here. So it is showing, see, in this information, it is showing what is the category of the supplies, and what is the discount we have given, and what is the profit they have, what is the profit we have gained. It is showing the sales, the total sales, and what is the profit, what is the discount they have provided. Everything it is showing in this information, right? So in this way, we can able to see, in whatever the discount they have given, and what is the profit they have gained, and what is the loss they can estimate the loss, right? So in this way, this is nothing but insights. We will get to know the reason, by calculating these all, we can get to know the reason why it is happening, why it is getting low, or the sales are getting low. Okay, so this is how we can identify. So let us try another thing. So label. So I'm giving this profit to label. Here we are having an option like label in this mark side. So I'm giving this profit to label. So it is showing here. See, 18,451 the profit is in the furniture, and the and 1,22,491 is the profit in this office appliances. So in this way we can label it for each and everything in the discounts. So these are the discounts. In discounts also, whenever they are giving the discount, the profit is 18,451. The discount is 368. Okay. So let me show it here. So I'm taking this discount, I'm dragging it, and I'm giving to the label, so that it is showing the discount also. Okay. So here it is showing the discount, and here it is gaining the profit. Okay. So in this way, we can give our labels. We can show everything. So let me give the region here. So I'm giving the region in this label, so that it is showing the central region is nothing but which is central, which is west, east, south, everything it will show the region it will show. Scrap, I will see. So I have given the region for each and every category, so that it is showing the in central how much sales are gone through. Uh, so in central, the category, the furniture category in central region, the discount is 143, and the profit they have given it is minus 2,871. There is no profit for there, and the sales gone through is sorry. So the overall sales gone through is 1,63,000. So this is how we are get to know all the information by using these. We can get to know all the things by using all these by using these dimensions and measures the data whatever we have given in the worksheets. So if we want to calculate these all the things by using our Excel sheet, it is not possible for us. So it is very difficult to gather the information. So whenever we are using this Tableau, we can create these graphs in minutes, in particular minutes, and it will show the clear vision. It will show up for us which region is lagging it and which region we are getting down, and what are the profits we are gaining, what the losses we are going through. Everything we can get to know by using this Tableau tool. Okay, so we do that. Okay, this is how we are creating the worksheets. So let us show you another worksheet also. Like here we are having it show me, we are having the options like the symbol maps and the maps we are having. Let us take symbol map here. So whenever I'm selecting the symbol map and here it is showing the dimension and measures, right? You just click on choose for me so that it will give our United States, it will show here. So if we want, we can give here like let me take the states here. Let me take the I'm dragging these states and we drop it here, so it will show us clearly what the states are having. Let us go for the pie chart. So it is showing for every country, every state, it is showing different pie chart. Here we are having an option like standard, just click on enter view. So it will show the enter view here. Let me do this. Let me give category here. So for every category, it is showing the pie chart. And let me give profit. So, and also I'm giving here the state and see the state wise pie charts it is showing. Okay. So with this way we can create our pie charts also. Let me skip. So with this way we can create our charts in different way. Okay. Whatever we are creating, seem to show the pie charts. show the pie charts switch. So United States, in this United States, we are having, I have given the country as images. The discount and the profit it is showing the pie chart level. Okay. So here it is showing. See, the discount is 1,561 in the profit. Overall, the states, the profit is 2,26,000. So this is how we are creating the pie charts and all. So team, whenever you are listening for the first time, it won't understand that much anything. Please make sure to practice once from your end so that you will get clear idea how to drag and drop the things, how we are getting the graphs, how we are showing everything by using this information, by this data. Okay? And also you can use all these graphs, whatever it is showing here, you can use all these graphs. Let me create another worksheet. And here in this worksheet, I have, I'm giving another, like I'm giving the region. For this region, giving quantity. It is showing in this graphical way, right? So for this graph, so that I'm selecting here another thing. So for bars use. So it is giving in this way. Whenever we are selecting based on the selection, it will show us. See how it is showing. It is showing the center east, like category. It is showing it east department. Whenever I'm selecting the east, it is showing the furniture in east. So the quantity is 2,240. Okay. And whenever I'm selecting central, it is showing the office supplies. So office supplies in central is 5,409. So this is way we can show our graphs in multiple ways. We can create a number of graphs here. So so in this way also we can create all these graphs. Okay. See, whenever we are using this tool, like whatever the uh, in sales departments or financial departments, whatever we are they are having the information, if they are by using these Excel sheets or the financial sheets or anything, we can't understand anything. Okay. So as a BA, we are observing these visualizations through these graphs. We are letting know what is the profits, what are the regions, and what are the losses we are getting, what are the discounts they are providing, and in which category they have gone through they have gone through large sales. Everything a BA will understand through these graphs, and by a BA will explain all the things to the stakeholders. Okay. So this is a BA role in this by using this Tableau. Okay. So I have created the country sales, so whatever the sales are happening, the general chart I have given, and the country profit category profits in which category the profits are more, and which category the profits are less. I have created, and the pie charts we have gone through, and the what is the quantity in each area. So let me create a dashboard now. So as of now, we have gone through the worksheets, right? So let me create a dashboard. Here we are having an option like a dashboard option. We can create a dashboard here. So in dashboard here in this dashboard, let us here we are having an options like a horizontal container, vertical container, and text extension and all. So let me select here floating so that whatever the charts we have created, every chart we can show it here. So whenever I'm showing selecting the floating, whatever the charts we have created, like I have created country sales, right? So drag let me drag it here so that we can create. Let me resize it. So this is how we can show our charts, whatever we have created. We can show it in one. So we can show it in one dashboard. Okay. Quantity. So in this way, we can create our charts and the dashboard. So this is a preview option, a presentation mode. We can click on presentation so that whatever we have given in this dashboard, we can show here. We can able to see here the country sales we have given and the category profits. What are the profits in categories and the pie charts? How we are using these pie charts and the quantity levels. Everything we can able to see it here in this charts. Okay. So this is how we are creating the dashboard. So whatever the worksheets we are creating, every worksheet we can keep it here in this dashboard, and it will be helpful for us to research in every based on the categories or based on the regions. Okay. So let me select this. So whenever I'm clicking on this, only the south region, it is showing only the south region, right? So in this way, we can select all the things. So it will show only the office things for us. So in east region, we are having on the office appliances and the furnitures it is showing, right? So here also it will show for us in the same way. So this is how we can see by using this dashboard. And coming to, we are having another option also like a story. We can also create a story. So beside of this dashboard option, we are having a story. Just select story here so that here it will show us like whatever the dashboard we have created and whatever the charts worksheets we have created, all the worksheets and dashboard we can place it here. It is like a presentation. Whenever we want to give presentation, it will helpful for us. So the only thing is we need to drag this dashboard or the worksheets to add caption so that it will show here. So I have drag and drop the dashboard to add caption so that it shows here whatever the charts worksheets we have created, it is showing here. So let me rename it as the sales. So this is the sales we have gone through, and also we can place this one also. So whenever we are dragging the country sales to add sales, then it is showing whatever the graph we have created, it is showing here. So in this way, we can drag and drop all the worksheets and dashboard to here itself. Okay. So it is like a presentation. Whenever we are giving the presentation, it will show us. So here I'm showing you the like how to use this Tableau. Okay. This is not an exact thing we are now I'm doing. It is like to show you how to use this Tableau. Okay. The general things I'm doing now. So this is where we can preview this. This is a presentation symbol. Just click on that presentation so that we can give our presentations by giving all the worksheets and dashboards in one place. Okay. So this is how we are creating the dashboards and the worksheets and the worksheets, dashboards and the stories. So now we can save our data, whatever the data we have created, like charts and everything, we can save them. Here we are having a file option. We can select this file option. So we are having options like save. Whenever we are selecting save, we can select this folder to in we can save it normally and when save to Tableau public, whatever whenever we are saving this to Tableau public, the people will visible. They can interact. Can log into our. They can log into Tableau public, and everyone can visible these. They will interact with these charts. So make sure that don't upload any confidential topics, confidential the company thing, the company information or your personal confidential information. Don't keep in this Tableau public. So whenever if you want to save as, it will be rename it the folder. It will be rename it, and the save to Tableau public as it will rename it to the Tableau public also. So to save this in Tableau public, click on open. Select the save to Tableau public, so that it will ask you the sign in option. So if you're not having any account, you can create it here. Here it will show you a create an account. Otherwise, you can. I already have an account, so that I'm giving my information here. So it is asking for the mail and password to sign in. So I'm giving. So in this way, we need to give our mail and password. Sign in. So whenever we have given our correct credentials like mail and password, it will show like it is saving, like it is asking your book number, so that I'm renaming it as sales. So let me save it. We can rename it and we can save it. So whenever we are selecting that save, it will automatically saves in the portal itself. So it will go to the public server. It will shows. It will go to the server and it will save in public, and it will automatically redirect it to another web page, and it will open whatever the charts we have created. It will show here. So see, this is how we have created a chart. It is showing here. So in this way, you can check your charts. Whatever the charts you have created, you can go through. Okay. So this information will be sought by everyone, whoever using the Tableau. They will check this all the charts and everything. Okay. So that I'm telling you, don't use any confidential things in this. So this is how we have created, and all the things, all the charts we have created. And in this session, we get to know like who is BA and where BA is involving, and how BA is connecting with the BI. What is BI and what are the benefits of BI, and how what are the tools available in this BI, and for what purpose we are using this BI, and how BI is interacting with the BI, and what how a Tableau is defined. What are the types we are having, and what we are going through the Tableau and how the Tableau is classified and the components of the Tableau and the features of Tableau, everything we have gone through, and the charts we have created and we have saved it. We have created the Tableau account and we have saved whatever the charts we have created, we have saved in that public server. Okay. So this is how we are using the Tableau.